Good afternoon, children. Now, next concept, permutation. The number of arrangements that can be made out of n things taking R at a time is called the number of permutation of n things taking R at a time. The formula for this one is NPR. NP for permutation, NPR is equal to numerator is what? N factorial divided by n minus R factorial is the formula. One more formula, NPR equal to start with n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. up to n minus R minus 1, the previous number, n minus previous number. Then note, 0 factorial means 1, NP 0, that is 1, NP 1, only n, NP and n, these are one more concept. Now, to buy a small idea, next exercise, the whole exercise. First, I will do example problem 2.15. The question is evaluate 5P3 and P85. 5P3. What is the formula? The first division. Numerator 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial. By using which formula? By using NPR equal to n factorial. This is the formula, you know. By using this formula, first number 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial. So 5 for the same thing. This is actually what? 2 factorial. Already you know 2 factorial into here. The 5 factorial can run as without factorial 5. 3 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. Am I right? Previous area. Now this will be cancelled. But 3 into 4 into 5 is what? 12, 60 is the answer. Similarly, one more problem. P85 no. This is actually what? 8P5. This is the meaning. P85 means what is the meaning? NP5. What is the formula? Then 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 5 factorial is the formula. By using this formula. Now 8 factorial can run as here what? 3 factorial. Am I right? Now this 8 factorial can run as 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 factorial. Am I right? This we cancel. Now multiply all, we get the answer. Here bigger number is coming. What is the bigger number? Multiply all the number. Multiply all the number, we get the answer 6. Multiply all the number by using the calculator 6720. This answer. This is a fundamental idea. By using this is the formula, you know, by using this formula, this is the answer. Suppose by using this formula also we get the answer. Suppose 5P3, you know, 5 into 4 into 3. Am I correct? 5 into 4 into, start with 5 actually. Start with 5. Here 3, no, you want to write 3 numbers. 5, 4, 3. We get the answer. In this way also we get the answer. This formula. Am I right? This formula. But it is a fundamental formula. By using the fundamental definition NPR, this is a formula. By using that formula and the previous area, we get the answer. What is the previous area? 5 factorial means the previous number without factorial, next number 4 factorial. The 4 without factorial, previous number 3 factorial. 3 factorial can mean 3 into 2 factorial. We got 2 factorial to cancel. We don't want factorial. Remains the answer. Here also 8 factorial by 3 factorial. 8 factorial means without 8, without 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 factorial. Because 3 factorial is there, cancel, multiply all the number, we get the answer. In this way you will find. So 2 mark or 3 mark question. Here again P involved with permutation by using this idea. Now example 2.1 say evaluate 8P3, 5P4. What I told you 8P3 mean one formula is what? 8 factorial by 8 minus 3 factorial after simplify. This is one method. But another formula, easy formula, this one is that like the answer start with 8. 8 first of all, you know, 8. What is the number here? 3. That means what you want to write 3 numbers. 8 into 7 minutes. Multiply, that is the answer. Okay, what is the number? 5 into 4, you know. 5 into 4 into 3 into. In this way you want to write. Both the same answer. By using the formula, then simplify, the same step will come. Now multiply. What is the answer? 8 into 7 into 6. 336. 336. Here. What is the answer? 5 to 10. 12. 120 is that. That's all. Am I right? Now, next question 2.17. Actually, this is the formula 8p3 means by using the previous formula means 8 factorial by 8 minus 3 factorial. What I told you is 5 factorial. Here what is the answer? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. This comes no? We get 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8, 7. That's it. Both the same only. This is direct method by using the formula method. Anyway, both answers equal. But this is easy for you. That's why the 8, first number 8 means start with 8. Each number is decreased by 1. But what is the next number? 3. That's why you want to write only 3 numbers. Here 5 means you want to write 5 numbers. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. In this way you want to write. Here 5, P, 4. 4 numbers you want to write. But start with 5. All numbers are decreased by 1. That's important. 5, next 4, next 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Here 4. In this way you want to write. Next one is, in how many ways 7 pictures can be hung from 5 pictures nailed on the wall? This is a question. Number of permutations is only asked me here. Number of permutation, therefore, the number of permutation, 7 things, 7, first of all is what? 7 pictures can be from 5 pictures. That's why 7 things taken 5 at a time. 7 things taken 5 at a time. Equal to what? 7p5. This answer. What I told you? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. In this way, start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Now multiply to all. 7p5 equal to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now multiply all the numbers. We get the answer 2520. Multiply. When use the calculator? 2520 days. 2520 days is the answer. Already told you by using ordinary calculator, not scientific calculator, do the calculation by using the calculator. You want to multiply or divide by using the calculator. Calculator is allowed actually. That's all. This one, that's all. Next question, 2.18. Find how many 4 letters words can be formed from the letters of the word logarithms. The words are with or without meaning. Now, there are 10 letters in the word logarithms. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, which one is n equal to 10. From this way, you want to guess. Now, what is asking? 4 letters will ask, since we have to find 4 letters word. 4 letters word. Am I correct? That means what? R equal to 4. From logarithm n equal to 10. Since we have to find 4 letters of the word, that is R equal to 4. Now what is asking? The required number of letters. Therefore, required number of, what is asking? How many 4 letters of the word is asking? The required number of 4 letters word. 4 letters word equal to, what is the formula? 10p4. What I told you? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. We have 4, that is 4 number. Start with 10. Now multiply. That is the answer. Multiply 1 by 1. 9 into 10, 90. 8 into 7, 56. 90 into 56 equal to what? 5040. That is the answer. Suppose some bigger numbers are coming in. By use the calculator, you want to multiply both. Now 2.19, example 2.19, NPR equal to what? 360. Now what is given? NPR equal to 360. Now NPR can, what I told you? N into, what I told you? Start with n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. going on. This is the formula, NPR equal to, we have the formula NPR equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. up to n minus R minus it is the formula, standard formula. Otherwise, what is the formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. We have two methods are there. One is n factorial by n minus r factorial is the formula. One more formula is what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. up to n minus r minus 1 is the formula. Am I correct? We have two formula. But easy method for this one is NPR. No change on. The 360 can be written as product of consecutive numbers. I am start with 5. How many times? 7 times, 2 times. Again 6. How many times? 1, 2. Again 4, 3. Am I correct? 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. Or start with 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. In therefore, you want write 360 can be written as product of consecutive number. That's important. Yes, 6 means 5, 4, 3. In this way you want it. Not like 10, 20, 24. Not like 10, 24. The 6 can be 2 into 3. Then 5, 4 to 2 into 2. Or 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is can be so many ways are there. But I want to write the given number is start with the bigger number mean consecutive number. Whether it is 3 number or 4 number, 5 number, that is not a matter. Start with 6 means 6, 5, 4. This way going on. Start with 9 means 9, 8, 7 etc. going on. In this way you want to write and guess. Because this is actually what? 6p4. Am I correct? 64. Am I correct? Start with 6, 4 number, that is 64. Now comparing NPR 64. Now N is what? 6. R is what? 4. In this way you want to guess. This is easy method. Some other method by using the formula in left hand side, afterwards simplify, solve the equation, we get the answer. But this is easy method, guessing method. Left hand side NPR is there. Right hand side NPR means what is the formula? Start with the number one number being next number is what? 1 is decreased by 1. Next is decreased by 1. In this way going on. How many numbers are there? 1 to 2, 4 numbers are there. That's why 4. Yeah, start with 6 up 64. But 360 can be done. This is the way. What is another way? Suppose 2 table 180, 2 table 90, 2 table 45, 3 table 3 15, 3 55. But this can be done. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. No use. What I told you? One number start with one number mean next number is decreased by 1. Another is what? One more number is decreased by 1. In this way going on. In this way you want to write. That's why I want to write 360 can be as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. A 4 consecutive numbers. That's why start with 6. 4 numbers are there. 4. For 64, NP4. N is what? 6. PP only. R is what? 4. In this way you want to write. Guess the value of R and N. That is the answer. Easy method for this one. You got a 2 mark question, 3 mark question. Only by using small idea, we get the answer. That's all. Now example 2.21. How many distinct words can be formed using all the letters of the following words? The first one is Mississippi. Mathematics. First subdivision. Mississippi. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 letters of the word Mississippi. Am I right? Mississippi. Am I right? There are 11 letters of the word Mississippi. Now, in this word, M occurs, first only M, no? M occurs one time. Am I correct? Next I occurs 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I correct? I occurs one time. Why? How many times? 4 times. Next X is what? 2, 4. 4 times. Next P occurs 2 times. Am I correct? Total 11 letters. 1 time, 4 times, 4 times, 2 times. Total 11 times. Am I correct? Now what is asking? How many distinct words? That means what? The permutation only asking. The required number of permutation is, therefore, the required. The answer is the required number of permutation is simple concept. Numerator total number of 11 factorial divided by here m occur one time no 1 factorial, then 4 factorial into again 4 factorial into 2 factorial. This is the answer. Need not simplify this one. Suppose simplification is lengthy calculation will come. Am I right? The 1 factor is 1 no, need not write. 1 factor is what? 1. That's why need not write. 4 factor is what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 multiply. Again 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 multiply. 2 means 2 factor means 1 into multiply. Multiply all three number. 11 factor means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 into 11. We multiply all the number, they get bigger quantity. That's why need not multiply. This is the answer. Very simple concept. We got 2 mark or 3 mark question. Similarly, one more question. Second subdivision. First question is over. Next is what? Mathematics. Am I right? The same thing. There are, how many letters are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 letters of the word mathematics. Am I right? Now, M occurs, format is 1, 2. Next say, A occurs 1, 2. T occurs 1, 2. H occurs 1 time. Am I right? Only 1 time. Next say, E occurs 1 time. M already told you, A already mentioned, T already mentioned, I occurs 1 time. Then C and S also occurs. C occurs 1 time. S occurs 1 time. Am I right? Total 11 letters. These are 2 times. These are only 1 time. Total 11 letters. That's important. Check yourself. You have 11 letters means total 11 letters. That's important. Now, the M occurs twice, A occurs twice, T occurs twice. The remaining terms are occurs only 1 time. No, that's need not it. Am I right? Because 1 factor is 1. 1 factor is 1. Multiply. No use actually. The one means something, one means something you know. That's why need not mention clearly here. Is not necessary. This is a method actually. But mention, need not mention here. Now required other letters are other letters are letters occurs only 1 time. That's why need not mention. Therefore, the required number of permutation is equal to numerator 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Remaining are 1 factorial. That's why need not write. This is the answer. Very simple concept. Mississippi and mathematics. Both are important concept. In this way, one more problem is there. Exercise 6 problem, same type of question. Assassination. That also the same type of problem. 3 more question. Now exercise 2.3, fourth question. Find the number of arrangement that can be made out of the letters of the word assassination. What is given? A S S A S S N A assassination. Am I right? The same thing. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 letters of the word. Letters of the word assassination. Am I right? Next, A occurs 1, 2, 3 times. S occurs 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Am I right? A over S over. I occurs 2 times. I occurs 2 times. Am I correct? Next, N occurs 2 times. Am I correct? 7, 11. 2 more letter. T occurs 1 times. O occurs 1 times. T occurs 1 time. O occurs 1 time. Okay. Now, what is asking? Number of arrangement is asking, no? The number of arrangement is equal to number of arrangement equal to numerator is what? 13 factorial numerator. Denominator is what? 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial, again 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 need not write. That is the answer. Mississippi, mathematics, assassination. These 3 problems same method, 2 mark or 3 mark question. Important question. Now, exercise 2.3. If NP4 equal to 12 into NP2, find the value. What is given? This is given. Am I right? This is given. Now, what is the form of this one? Start with the n minus 1. 1 is reduced by 1. Again n minus 2. Again n minus 3. In this way going on. But NP4, 4 is not enough. 1, 2, 3. Only 4 numbers. You wanted 4 numbers. Equal to 12 into the same thing here. First one is what n no? N into up to n minus 1. What is the reason? The 2 only is there. 2 in one means you wanted only 2 number. This will be cancelled. So n minus 2 into, sorry, n minus 3. N minus 3 equal to 12. The 12 can be as 4 into 3. Am I correct? The product of 2 number. Here also you wanted product of 2 number. First equal, first number to first number, second number to second number. Now n minus 2 equal to 4. Now n equal to 4 plus 2, 6 is done. That's all. Now equal second to second, n minus 3 equal to 3, n equal to 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Here both are should be equal. That's why you want equal only one part. Here bigger number, next small number. That's why here also you want write bigger number, next small number. Need not write 3 into 4. 3 into 4 means wrong answer will come. Because start with the n, next number is what? N minus 1, 10 is what? 1 is reduced. This bigger number, next reduced by 1. Come to this number, this is bigger number. Reduced by 1. Again come to this 2 number, this is bigger number. That's why here, n minus 2, n minus 3. Out of this number, n minus 2 is bigger number. Because from n, you want to subtract only 2. But here, from n, you want to subtract 3, no? That means small number. That's why here also you want to write bigger number, then small number. Equal first to first or second to second, both answers will be equal. Definitely both answers will be equal. That's all. Now, circular permutation. Number of permutation of n students are arranged in along a circle n minus 1 factorial. The same thing, number of permutation of n students along a straight line, that is n line, n factorial. The n minus 1 factorial, circle line means n minus 1 factorial, n factorial. In this area, example 2.22, in how many ways 8 students can be arranged in a line and along a circle. First one is what? Number of ways or number of permutation, number of permutation of 8 students. 8 students arranged in a line. Arranged in a line equal to what? 8 students, no? One line is 8 factorial. That's all. That is the answer. N factorial is the formula. 8 is 8 factorial. The same thing, number of permutation of 8 students arranged in a circle or along a circle. Arranged along a circle. What is the formula? What is the formula? N factorial is the formula here. That means what? 8 factorial. 8 factorial means what does it mean? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. You want to multiply, we get the answer. But length calculation will come. That's all. The answer is 8 factorial. Here what is the formula? N minus 1 factorial. That is what? 8 minus 1 factorial. That is what? 7 factorial is the answer. That's all. Am I correct? Circle means cycle means n factorial. In along a circle means n minus 1 factorial. That is 7 factorial. Then example 2.23, the same thing. The how many ways 10 identical keys can be arranged in a ring? Ring means actually arrange, no? Start with here. Extra going on, no? Up here, ring means actually circle, no? Up n minus 1 factorial here divided by 2 also. What is the reason? 10 identical circle. That's why the same n minus 1 factorial but divided by 2. That's very important. The number of permutation is here. Correct answer. Number of permutation is equal to n minus 1 factorial by 2. N is what? 10. 10 minus 1 factorial by 2. That is what? 9 factorial by 2. Need not simplify because 9 factorial means length calculation will come. That's why this is the answer. Again, example exercise 2.3, fifth question, the previous idea only. In a how many ways can 8 identical beads? The beads are ring means divided by 2. The first one is what? Number of ways 8 identical beads can be arranged by number of. First one is what answer? Number of ways 8 identical beads. Okay, number of ways 8 identical beads arranged. Beads can be stringed or am I correct? Stringed or strung, that is stringed. 8 identical beads are stringed is equal to what is the formula? N minus 1 factorial by 2. That is what? 8 minus 1 factorial by 2. That is what? 7 factorial by 2 is the answer. 7 factorial by 2 is the answer. Need not simplify. Next one is what? Number of 8 boys form a ring only. Only ring, no? Only n minus. Ring means circle, no? That's why. Number of ways. Number of ways. Am I right? Number of ways 8 students form a ring. Number of ways 8 students. 8 boys form a ring. That is what? N minus 1 factorial. That is what? 8 minus 1 factorial. That is what? 7 factorial is the answer. That's all. Only 7 factorial. This is the answer. Anyway, this idea over. 2 more problems are pending. I will do next class actually. In this exercise over. Some of the 2 or 3 problems are there pending. Exercise problem. I will do next class. Today that's all. Listen here. Already told you. Allotted time for math, business mathematics 2 to 4. 2 to 3 you will watch the video. 3 to 4 write the classwork and take the photos and send to me immediately before 4 o'clock as a PDF. That's important. PDF single file. Then only I want correct. Correction is easy for me. That's all.